My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the BoxyCharm Luxe. I'm super excited. I have been hanging on to this box for 2 weeks straight. And Tom's like, when are you gonna film? Just get into it because finally I can open it, I can try out new things, and I'm super excited. I have not opened it at all. The stickers are still on there. I'm going to grab some scissors. And I'm going to just cut the... I'm going to explain to you guys the difference between the BoxyLuxe and the BoxyCharm. You are getting the BoxyLuxe every 3 months instead of every month, where every month you're paying $21, and with the BoxyLuxe you are paying about $50 every 3 months. BoxyCharm you're getting about, I want to say 5 to 6 full-size items. BoxyLuxe is double the product. This is a value over $200. Hello, Charmer. Let's see what we have. Ooh, it already looks like it has a lot of goodies. I'm excited. Okay, so open it up and it looks like this. And this pretty much just tells you everything that's going to be in this box. It's got a bag. I'm so excited because I can never have too much bags. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like girls can never have too many bags. You can always find something to put in them. See what we have. Super pretty. So it looks almost like a chrome color. We're gonna open this because I'm excited. Cute. Look at that. It's like rainbow. It looks really different on camera than it does here, but oh, it's a full size. I thought it was going to be like a miniature, but it is like a full size little bag. Cute. I've been needing a new bag anyways because I have a bunch of little ones, and inside it says BoxyCharm. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute is this? And it's like a pink color inside. I'm excited. I love that. Super cute. And it's actually, now looking at it with that pink, it's more of like a rose gold kind of color. Still, well, kind of chrome, but. Ooh, we got some Lily lashes. These are Fox Mink lashes, and this one is Gaia. I believe it's Gaia. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Those are like perfect too. Perfect color and everything. Just want to pop them on. Oh, Iconic London. This is an eyebrow cushion. Let's see if we can open it up here without breaking a nail. We're gonna go see Dumbo today. I'm excited. I've been waiting to see Dumbo, and I hope Sam will really like it. How pretty. Very nice. But you can't even really see. You can just see me recording myself. I like this packaging a lot. If I can open it with my nails. Okay. We'll see how it works out when I get there. There's a lot of things in here. Oh my goodness. So the next thing I see is Confidence in a Cream from It Cosmetics. After I just bought the foundation, I had used the cream and I really liked the cream. And this is for all skin types. It's Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is a full size bottle. This is gonna last me forever. I'm ecstatic. Nice, so nice. I am already so happy with getting the BoxyLuxe. Oh, I was gonna smell it. It smells like, it's like a refreshing smell. Like cucumbers. Just gonna get high off some cream. No, but that's, I am like trying to keep my cool and not get overly excited, but I am very happy. Okay, so the next thing hanging out in here is Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Yes, girl, you already know, like I don't know about you guys, but I will literally pick a peel off mask or the masks that just like sit on top of your skin and then you just pull it back off. So it's not a peel off mask, it's like the ones you just lay on top of your face. And I don't really care for masks that you have to go back in the bathroom and scrub off, and I really enjoy the peel off mask, so that's awesome. I'm glad, because I feel like when I got the Boxy charm, it had cool things in there that were very, very beneficial, but at the same time, there was not everything that was like helpful. Anyway, so the next thing is Becca. This is in the color chocolate, and it looks like it's going to be, they're selling chocolates. Have you seen that with SpongeBob?
They're selling chocolate. What? They're selling chocolate. They're selling chocolate. Yeah.
She's like, what? She's like, selling chocolates. Chocolates. So Becca, is this a lipstick? I just assumed. Yeah, Ultimate Lipstick Love. Ooh, pretty. That is like a perfect, like, it's not really brown. You can't really, oh, there you can see the difference that makes. And so, okay, what else does this have? Fingernail polish. These are, oh, Donna, Modern Love. Deborah Lipman. We're trying not to break a nail, so. Oh, these are, how come it doesn't say? Ooh, these are pretty. You know, sometimes you get like certain things and it's just not the right color for you, but these are so pretty. See that shimmer in that one? Pretty. I love those. I'm going to throw all these boxes away. Okay, there's a couple like bigger palettes in here, and I'm trying to wait to do those last. Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. Cool. Like ASMR, like massive ASMR videos where they're like, I actually really like those videos. I don't like when they're like overly ASMR, but I like when it's more of like a natural ASMR like this, like where you're just opening stuff and you can, you know, it's just this triggering sounds. I really like ASMRs. Okay, so again, this is going to be a powder brush. Can I grab you out? Oh yeah, that's soft. These are actually really cute. Look at that little crown on there. Oh yeah, that's soft. I like that. Cool. Okay. And then this is a Soft Glow Sweep a Luminous Glow onto highlight and, oh, for highlight. Cool beans. Okay, now there's two other things in here, and the first one sitting on top is this Cover FX. This has a highlighter, a brightener, a highlighter, contour, finishing powder, and a blush. Ooh, this is like heavy, very sturdy, very good like quality. You can feel it in this. Ooh, nice. Oh, and a big mirror. That is, you know, we love a good mirror here, so awesome. Look at those. So we've got two of the highlighters, a brightener, the finishing powder, blush, and contour. I'm definitely going to try that out. Nice, nice, nice. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that's a nice chocolate brown. The blush is a little bright, and some highlight. Oh, we should try the brush, huh? Let's try. Dip it in there. Look at that. Look at that glow. The last thing in here is a Morphe palette. How amazing. This is the 15D Day Slayer. 15 shades for daytime to playtime. Love that. They're rhyming. I get it. I don't think I've ever seen this palette. So it looks like that. Let's open it up inside. Pretty. Oh, if you like your browns, the perfect browns in it. So if you love your browns, this has all the perfect browns in it. It has really pretty colors for fall and just browns in general, which I use a lot of browns. Like this is, I mean, like orange reds, orange browns. So this is perfect, and I know a bunch of other people that would really like this palette. So again, this is the 15D Day Slayer palette. Very nice. Very, very nice. Some of the names are Natural Spark, In the Crease, Forever, Bronze Beauty, Define Highlighter, Editor Glow, Upbeat, Desert, Epic Blend, Just Eyes, and Sweet. I wish I would have opened this a lot sooner so that I could have been using a lot of the stuff that's in here, but I'm excited, and all of these cute little things are going to fit in this bag here so I can remember that these are all brand new. Alright, well that's pretty much it and concludes this video. If you guys want me to do more of these unboxings of the BOXYLUXE and things like that, definitely get a thumbs up. And sending you guys all the love and light, and I will talk to you next time. Have a peaceful day. Bye!